Dental treatment is a crucial component of overall well-being, health, and one of the most frequently used treatments within dentistry is dental fillings. It doesn't matter if it's caused by cracks, decay, the need for dental fillings is essential for restoring the functionality and appearance of teeth that are damaged. The cost for dental fillings can differ greatly according to the nation as well as the location where the procedure is carried out. In this clip, we'll dive into the cost of fillings for dental purposes and we'll focus on the cost distinctions among Europe as well as Turkey. We will look at the causes that cause this price variation and give an understanding of how patients are able to be more informed when it comes to dental services. 1. The cost of dental fillings in Europe. In Europe, costs for dental fillings varies across countries and within different regions. Things like the cost of living, labor cost, overhead costs, and local regulations influence the costs of dental treatment. The general rule is that countries where there is a higher standard of living as well as a higher level of economic development are likely to pay more of dental treatment. For instance, in nations such as Germany, France, and the United Kingdom, the average cost for fillings in the dental area is between 80 and 200 euros for a tooth. Prices can increase based upon the kind of filling material employed, as well as the difficulty of filling procedure, and also the geographical location of the dental practice. 2. The cost of dental fillings in Turkey. In contrast, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism thanks to its low prices and top-quality dental treatment. Cost of dental fillings in Turkey is substantially lower when compared with many European countries, which makes it a popular choice to patients looking for affordable treatment for their teeth. In Turkey, it is estimated that the cost of filling a tooth with a dental material can range from 20 to 60 euros per tooth according to the filling material as well as the place of the clinic. The price difference could be due to the less cost of living, labor costs, and overheads in Turkey in comparison to Europe. 3. Factors influencing price differences. There are many elements that cause prices of dental fillings and procedures between Europe as well as Turkey. One major factor is the living costs for each nation. The countries that have higher standards of living as well as a higher level of economic development are likely to pay more for dental procedures due to the higher cost of labor as well as overhead expenditures. Another aspect is the amount of competition on the world of dentistry. When there are many dental clinics and dentists, price tends to be competitive because providers try to draw in patients through low prices and discounts. However, countries that have few dental clinics might suffer higher costs due to the limited competition. Furthermore, the filling material used in the process can influence the price in dental fillings. The most expensive materials, such as ceramic fillings or composite resin, typically cost more over amalgam fillings. Patients are advised to consult with your dentist about which filling material is best according to their budget and the health of their tooth. 4. Making informed decisions. In seeking out dental treatment, patients need to take into consideration the expense of treatment and the standard of treatment. While cost is a crucial element, it shouldn't be the sole element in choosing a dentist clinic. Customers should look into the qualifications and experiences of the dentist as well as the quality of the practice and also the caliber of equipment and facilities. Patients are also able to explore alternatives for dental tourism in order to obtain inexpensive dental treatment in places such as Turkey. Patients can mix a holiday with dental treatment, which can result in low-cost and top-quality services. Patients should, however, investigate the dentist and be sure they are in compliance with internationally accepted standards of treatment. Dental fillings costs are different among Europe as well as Turkey, as well as the cost of fillings, which is dependent on factors like the cost of living, competition, as well as the kind of filling material utilized. The patient should take into consideration these elements while seeking treatment for their dental needs and make educated decisions according to their budget as well as the type of treatment they would like. This way, patients will be able to keep their mouth healthy as well as manage their dental costs effectively.